Let's make Choco Berry and Oreo Milk Pang Negosyo drinks. You can add this to your menu if you haven't tried it yet. In a 16 ounces cup, add crushed Oreo cookies, fresh or full cream milk, milk syrup. Stir well. Swirl 2 rounds of chocolate syrup into the sides of the cup. Add ice. Oreo milk. Done. Stir well and enjoy. Hot water. Unsweetened cocoa powder. A pinch of salt. Mix using Brother. Set aside. Strawberry milk. Strawberry syrup. Milk syrup. Stir. Ice. Pour chocolate mixture. Choco Berry drink is done. Stir well and enjoy. Want to start iced coffee business? Get our iced coffee business guide.